In a world fractured by differences, ethnicity, religion, politics, and countless other divides, it's easy to forget what truly unites us. Beneath the labels and barriers, there are fundamental truths that connect every human being. Today, we're going to take a moment and reflect on what it means to be human. Why, in the end, our unity is actually our greatest strength. Across the globe, we see divisions widening, groups pitted against each other, identities used to separate rather than unite. External differences can be powerful, but they're only surface level. They often obscure the deeper bonds that we all share. Despite our differences, there are universal experiences that define us as human. We are all born, we grow, we learn. We have family, friends, and loved ones. We laugh, we cry, we make mistakes. We hope for better days. We dream of brighter tomorrows, and we pray for peace. We all need food, sleep, air to breathe, connection, understanding. These shared experiences remind us that at our core, we are more alike than we are different. Our humanity is a bridge. It's an invitation to empathy and at least sympathy, and also compassion. It's in the moments when we listen to others' stories, when we support those in need, when we choose kindness over division. You see, no matter where we come from or what we believe, we all share the same fundamental desires. We want peace, love, security, belonging, and hope. History shows us that when we focus on our commonalities, we can build stronger communities. When we stand together and we embrace our shared humanity, we can overcome even the deepest divides. Let's remember, it's not our differences that define us, but our capacity to connect, to understand, to uplift each other. In a time when forces seek to divide us, let us choose unity. Let's celebrate what we have in common, and let us respect our differences. Let's celebrate our hopes, our dreams, and the simple truth that we're all human. In the end, when we stand united, we can stand strong. When we act in these echo chambers and are divided, we fall. So today and every day, let's choose compassion, understanding, and unity. Together we can build a brighter future for all. All right. A short sermon, but that's it. Thank you all for coming in. You guys can get out of here. Thank you for rushing. You're always in such a hurry. Thanks for stopping by. Feel free to stop in the comment section on your way out if you found anything useful. You can also take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. You can always ring the little bell for notifications. Until next time, this is Katatu, and I'll say so long from the channel at the end of this universe.